Steel Mama specializes in the development of roll forming machines. This video shows the production process of a high-quality round-tube laser welding roll forming machine. This machine works extremely efficiently. The rollers are made of chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life. This is the gap between the welded round pipes. Customize various sizes according to your needs. Cooling with water after welding. An oval duct is an oval-shaped tube used as a passageway for air conditioning, heat, and other HVAC services. Commitment. Delivery within 45 days. 18-month warranty. Steel Mama always give you proper solution.